My feet so tired because of the boots.
My feet is so tired because of the boots. I should wear the small one.
Hong Kong pa more.
Huh?
Say Hong Kong pa more.
Hong Kong!
One, two, three.
More!
I'm so tired.
Picture of video me. What is it?
Oh, Ate so sungit earlier. Just like Daddy, when they're so tired, they get sungit. But they're so good. My babies are so good. Oh, pwede na mag-travel. Ang galing ng mga batang yan. Sobrang galing nila po, guys. Super.
Ulog ka!
Galing ng kids ko. Maglakad-lakad. 20k steps a day. Linaya. Alas
sa may buta.
Careful, please. Guys, this is our room. Only the roof lang you can see because it's still dirty. I mean messy. Still messy down here. So you just can see there, up there, because up there is good. Look. So that's, and there's a blower right there. And di na namin kailangan mag-universal. Sayang yung binili namin.
Turn pala to.
No. Wait, mahulog ka ulit, please. Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. Ayan. Okay naman dito, malamig. May okay naman nga lang, don't, yung expectation mo talaga sa mga room is bababaan mo. Si Daddy si Daddy na disappoint. Ay, you can see me, Daddy, na disappoint si Daddy. But it is what it is. Here I am expecting like that is like the hotel like in nature.
My feet are tired.
Oh, I'm so sexy here. To shape the curve. Char. I'll massage later. Nagmamassagean kami pamilya. Anti ka na. Anti ka na. Hindi ka na. I told you don't walk here. Only here on the middle, okay?
Okay, and no.
Oh, there again.
What?
Don't in a hurry when you're gonna go up here, okay? Ay, picture. Guys, Chinese yung anak ko, oh. Grabe, pinapansin siya ng mga lokal dito. Grabe talaga. Ang batang ire. As in, smiling to the face. Talagang titig kung titig. Nag-iisip na lang ako ng parosok. Ate Bombay! Pinansin na siya, kinausap na siya. Lahat ng matatanda. Yung matatanda halos. Pati chicks, nagsasmiling face sa kanya. Yung smiling face si Alice. Si Alice, yung smiling face niya yung paningin mo pa. Naka-cosplay.
No.
Tapos, bigyan siya ng chocolate, ng nasa basa.
I want snow.
This girl is so pretty. The whole day is so beautiful.
Love
I
you,
can't say
love you,
anything because
mommy.
she's the best.
Alex,
She's so beautiful. Guys, and her birthday is tomorrow.
Hey.
My baby's birthday is tomorrow and she have the whole week birthday celebration. She started her
Alex,
birthday
no.
celebration yesterday.
Let me say happy birthday.
Dita?
Pero feeling ko sarado na. Oo nga, ikot lang tayo. Ikot lang. Ikot. Ikot. Kahit na naka-suspend sila lahat.
Saan pumapansin sa kanya?
And go.
May kahawig siyang sikat na artista.
Ganyan. Baka oo. Si Jackie Chan. Sarado. Ay, sarado.
Magkano? Mami, ako sa
Mia.
scold him, ah. Hi. Alex is having fun. Good job, Lex. Oh, ate. Ate, wait for me. Wait for me, ate. Parang di natin nadaanan to kagabi. It was from like 10 to 18 like that, okay? Like this one, it's 12 or 9. Or lower is good. Oh. Sammy's birthday tomorrow. What's that? It's bubble gum.
Mom, just take me inside.
Oh, there's lollipop. I think that one is good for Alex.
Mom's picture.
Sammy, are you having a hard time choosing?
I'm trying my best.
What Alex got? You got that one.
Pila ba yun? Yung siya nasabi niya.
Ay, oo.
Yan ba yun?
I
Yan
really
yata yun po.
want that chocolate one.
What do you want, baby?
I want the chocolate one over there on the top.
Oh, it's only 6. Sige, we get some. Ouchie. Okay. Galing naman mamili. Ah, ito
Oh,
caramel.
chocolate.
Caramel macchiato. 12. Magkano kaya yan? Ito, soybean.
Hindi ko makuha yun.
Yeah, but we'll just eat one
Okay,
candy
get this
muna.
one.
I mean, how about we're gonna eat one candy muna? How about that?
Oh yeah, you can eat.
Sarap, chicken satay.
Or
Yeah.
two?
Mommy get this. Okay. Ito. Alex, are you sleepy? Ano, tulog na, patulog na siya. Oh. This is your banana, baby. Oh. Ate. Okay. This one is for brown.
Wait. This
Wala
one.
kasing table dito. Ayun yung table. Hindi pa open. I hope
This one is
ano,
chocolate
yung mga food
milk.
nila is medyo matabang, no?
This one is chocolate
You
milk.
show them. Tan! Ooh, vitamin. VLT.
Okay lang.
Vitamins. Sarap. Sinig mo na?
Yes.
May aftertaste.
Can you taste?
May aftertaste talaga yung ano nila. Pero alam mo, yun medyo yung talang original. Authentic na lang. Open?
Hindi. It tastes more.
Okay. Ay, Vita rin tong kay Sammy, oh.
Hmm.
Matamis kaya to. May isa silang ganito na less sugar, eh. So, I think this one is yummy. Adi. Ganun din. Hindi siya matamis sobra. Pero masarap.
Okay.
Can I try?
Ay, after some. Oh!
Masarap siya. Hindi siya nakaka-umay. So, kaya feeling ko, oh my gosh.
It just tastes like chocolate milk.
Hindi siya matamis. Caramel macchiato flavor.
Oh, it is. It is. Yummy.
Pero pwede na rin. Pwede na rin
Ay,
siya.
ano pala? Dishwashing.
Ay, oo nga.
Ano na ako?
Ito pala sa'yo, no? Kainin na kaya abang mainit. Oh, may ano. How about sit yummy with banana? Wow.
Look at me. Yeah, I need nana. Me.
Yummy banana.
Yummy.
Yes, baby.
This
Tanggalin
is-
mo yung ano ng hat mo.
Ay, pag ano pala, babe,
Ganda ng
So
baby ko.
this is big.
pag bababa ako, hindi,
Bigger. Biggest.
Yeah.
This is tin. I think it's Tata. Yes. This is small. Smaller. Smaller. Small. This is wait. This is long. Longer. Longest.
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 Ate, so pretty on your ano ate? Outfit.
Nana.
I told you.
Give Daddy the
Again.
juice first. Give Daddy. Right.
Orange.
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 Red.
Orange.
Oh, the red.
Orange pear.
Orange bear.
Yes.
I'm taste the white chocolate. Bigger. This is fat. Fatter. It's fat. Big. Hey.
Wow, good job.
Ah, chuchua? Is it chuchua, 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 wa, wa? Is that what you're singing?
Ang cute. Good job, ate. He's
Hands
copying you eh.
Hands up!
Hands up.
Galing oh. Lukad-lakad-lakad kami kanina. Daming lakad. Oh, ganyan guys. Travel the world. The whole world. Hey, ate. Tawa na. Like this.
Alex, Halloween night, not a soul in sight. I hear footsteps.
Who's,
Who's
that,
that
coming? Ah, here.
I see a chocolate. Oh no!
Huh?
That from 7-Eleven. Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Oh, baby.
Okay, let's open.
Open.
Oh, this is mommy's. Yummies. And Alex too, and Ate. Try to open. It's tasty. Hey, milk. Looks yummy.
Why?
Try.
Why?
Rambot.
Asa mami? Pili.
Magkakalasa talaga yung ano nila? Food nila, no? I like it. Yummy. Tastes like Hong Kong. Now I know their taste. Their food tastes like. Yummy. This is yummy.
Yummy, yummy,
This one.
yummy.
알았어. 자.
Wow.
Mm. Mm. Ate, come here.
Hey, my shirt. Yay, let's go.
Angie, here. Wow. Happy dance. Parang nga siyang leche flan. Ang sarap.
kanina ba kung mainit?
Hindi siya sobrang tamis.
Sa kanya? Crispy. Masarap siya.
Yung nga.
Hindi crispy.
Hindi namin kinain kasi agad. Kanina pa to. Pero ang sarap. No? Tama-tama yung ano niya. Hindi siya yung leche flan matamis. Harap. Parang tutuloy-tuloy ka lang kain. Ganun siya kaano. Yung nakakaumay. Konti lang din. Tulog na yun.
Uh-oh.
Sarap. Gusto ko yung medyo sunog yung dito, oh. Kaya ano siya. Nalasa rin yung bread. Sarap. Mas try talaga siya. It's your birthday.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Even if it's raining hard? And we're just gonna stay here?
And look at this, guys.
Mm-hmm. Careful kay Alex, baby, ah. Point. Oh, 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 hindi kami makalabas. Oh, dito siya. Toink. Nag-ano ka na ka? Ano yung tawag doon? Complete. Ano yung dance na yun? Complete. Kayo? Oh, gaya-gaya. Gaya-gaya kay ate. Careful, you might hit your arm, ah. How about Alex?